Okay, so first we're dealing with the equation work is equal to force times distance times the cosine of the angle between them. And the first question is, in which of the following situations are you not doing work? When you kick a wall, you hurt your foot and the wall stays the same. When you kick a ball, because the ball is going at a constant velocity. When you punch a door and the door swings open at a strange angle. Well, let's look. We need a force to be applied. It needs to move the object some distance because of that force in order for work to be real. So the answer is A. If you kick a wall, you did apply a force, but there was no distance that the wall moved. So you are not doing work on that wall. Second, it says you lift a chubby baby up in the air. It takes 42 joules of work to lift that baby, and you're going to lift that baby a distance of 0.5 meters. And what force did you use to lift that cute baby? All right, so we're going to start work is equal to FD cosine of the angle. And here's our baby. Not my best baby ever. I've definitely made cuter babies than that. Okay, let's see. So we got our work is 42 joules, and we get our distance, and they're asking us for the force. So the only thing that's really stopping us is looking at this cosine of the angle. Okay, well, remember, you're pushing the baby up in the air, and the baby is actually going up in the air. So that theta, that angle between them, it's actually 0 degrees. They're both going the same direction. So work is equal to F we don't know, D we know. Cosine of 0 is 1, positive 1. So work is 42 is equal to our force, and our distance was 0.5. So our equation is, or what did we get? We get 84 newtons. Kind of a lot of force to apply that baby, but hey, we did it. Box it up.